Thanks, Jeremy. Now to cricket. Jamaican Brandon King has been named captain of for the three-match T20 international series between the West Indies and South Africa, which starts this week at Sabina Park. King is one of 8 World Cup-bound players selected to the squad, which also features Jamaican Fabian Allen. The series forms part of the team's preparation for the ICC T20 World Cup, which bowls off on June 1. The full squad reads: Brandon King, captain; Roston Chase, vice-captain; Fabian Allen, Alec Athneys, Johnson Charles, Andre Fletcher, Matthew Ford, Jason Holder, Akil Hussain, Shamar Joseph, Kyle Mears, Obed McCoy, Gudakesh Moti, Romario Shepherd, and Hayden Walsh Jr. Alzara Joseph, who is currently with the Royal Challengers of Bangalore, and Sherfin Rutherford with the Calcutta Knight Riders will be added to the squad if their respective franchises don't reach the Indian Premier League final set for Friday. Shea Hope and Nicholas Puran are both rested for the series and will join the squad in Trinidad on Monday. The series bowls off on Thursday, with the second and third games in the series slated for Saturday and Sunday.